For a little man. Cold cutties for both of you, little man. Get off of the table.
There you go with his shopping. Plano na naman ni Mr. na mag-shopping. Pero may kondisyon po si Mr. Hindi daw ako pwedeng sumama sa loob ng grocery kasi nga isa daw akong sagabal sa kanyang pag-grocery. At sinayawan ako kasi nagulat naman ako. Driver lang pala ako ngayon. Okay na, let's go. The dog is okay?
Yeah.
We will be right back quick, okay?
Why is the door open?
Allah.
Allah.
You're the one always using it. Our heater is keep going running, hon.
I want to get some fresh air now. It's a good time for it. And we're really smart. I'll take the Lexus.
Allah, eh?
Just to get it on the road a little bit.
No, he's gonna die. We should just drive it when we're home. Ay, it's windy, mga loves. It's going to... Hi, monkey! Go, Pepe. Come on, hurry up. Go, Pepe. Gusto niyang akong mag-stay lang sa sasakyan daw. And then, ngayon, nakakaluka kasi I'm not allowed na. Hindi ako allowed magpunta sa grocery store. Kasi nga, ang grocery store daw is para sa kanya. Kasi nakakaluka. Pag ilang beses niya sinabi sa akin this morning na I ruin his shopping habit since I get back. Kasi daw, kung wala ako dito, palagi siyang lumalabas at nagsha-shopping. Nakakaloka talaga, mga loves. So ngayon, sama-sama lang ako para akong bodyguard, pero hindi ako sasama sa loob kasi talaga daw magsabi ako na, no, meron tayong ganyan, stop it na, ganun. Ibon, ganyan yan siya. Kasi yung ibon is hindi napakain since I get back. Look. So what are you getting?
Steaks and lobsters.
Steak and lobster.
And lions and tigers and bears. So why?
Han, behave yourself, huh? I will stay here. Okay? Yeah. I'll stay here.
Okay.
Give me your car key.
I'll be back.
Okay? I love you.
Love you too.
And careful. Careful out there. Kinakabahan ako, mga loves, kung ano yung bibilhin ni Tammy. Kasi sabi pa niya, steak. Oh my goodness. Kung steak yung bibilhin niya at saka lobster, iwan ko na lang kung anong gagawin ko. Wala na talaga. Let's see kung nag-atik-atik lang yan siya. Kasi talagang maghilig yan mag-atik-atik ba. Gusto talaga niya akong aserin, mga loves, kapag mga ganito. So let's see. Tignan natin. Steak. Maraming steak sa bahay. And then kung lobster yung bibilhin niya, patay. Ang mahal ngayon. Ang mahal talaga. Wala man yung Gusto ko sa birthday ko yung lobster. Hindi lobster, king crab. Gusto ko yung king crab sa birthday ko kasi nga, alam nyo na birthday ko. Gusto kong gusto ko sanang lechon, pero kumakain na tayo ng maraming lechon sa Pinas. So kaya gusto kong naman, king crab naman. Okay.
I got onion, I got garlic, I got ginger.
Did you get the garlic?
Yes, I said onion, garlic, I got ginger. Okay. I got a thing of chicken legs. I got 2 dental treats for the dogs, 1 treat for the cats. I got a meat like this.
Meat like this?
We're gonna make a pot roast.
Beef? We're not making pot roast now.
Go in the refrigerator downstairs and make a pot roast. So it's okay.
Ang gagawin natin is i-check natin yung binili niya kasi paminsan hindi niya sinasabi sa akin. Pero I think this time sinasabi niya sa akin ang katotohanan dahil po konti lang yung nilagay niya sa cart. But he said he get some prime rib?
Not prime rib. Round.
Round?
Yeah.
It's a round beef.
Make a nice pot roast.
Okay.
It's gonna get a small one. The small ones are $7. The big one they have to sell for $4. Big one.
Okay.
Potatoes.
Oh, you get a small potato too?
Yeah.
Okay then. We have arugula in there. Did you get some cheese?
I didn't get the cheese. We got some in the freezer.
Okay, we can cut it. You get more sausage, love.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Ginger. Onion.
What else? You get cucumber too.
I did.
And then chicken. Nako talaga.
Chicken for the dogs. Shrimpy for little man. Cold cutties for both you little mans and the dogs and Dimple Lips.
And for you. You get more bags and more bags. Is that beef?
Yeah. It's eye round.
Huh?
It's eye round.
How much is that?
Put the new bags of bottle holders in. Look.
How much is this? How much?
$3.99 a pound.
I'm asking you how much.
I don't know. Look at the price on it.
It doesn't say.
It says. It's on the tag.
March 24.
It says.
Another Ziploc. He has a lot of Ziploc downstairs. Potato. And he got, oh my goodness, honey, you all the time get this. And his son is here.
I don't know why you haven't treated this kid. That's all I can say. I don't know.
Hums, can you go away? Go away, go away. You're not allowed in there. You get used to it. Han, can you tell him, Han, this is a bad idea. Look.
Get down.
No, no.
Down. Not
no.
up. I said
no,
down.
No.
Go on down.
Get down. Honey, that's why he never learned, because you... Get out. Bad boy. Look at him. He's a prick. Hey. You are such a daddy's little man. Daddy's little boy.
He says, I have to go down.
Your shoulder is his house. Your shoulder.
This could get cooked. The chicken could go down.
Yeah. Put that in that bag.
This bag.
Okay. Oh, this one is good down too?
Yeah. Keep one here. Just in the refrigerator.
Okay.
So maybe we can cook it the next day too.
Okay, so
Since
what?
I want to cook.
That one you want to cook?
Yep. Get off of the table. Get down.
Wala, patay dadas mess. He just give you the look, hon.
What the heck?
Bago natin ito lutuin, halikan mo muna ako dong. Dali. Charot. Anyway, so pagdating ko galing sa Pilipinas, guys, kaya nga sabi ko na hindi na lang ako sasama at sabi niya wag na akong sasama kasi nga mataranta na naman ako, mga loves, kapag papasok ako kasama siya. Kasi po, may dahilan po iyan. Yung freezer namin, dalawang maliit, siya, ice maker with freezer siya, mga loves. Inopen niya yung isa, so kaya yun. And then, natatakot ako, baka i-open na naman niya yung isa naming maliit na freezer with ice maker, no? So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, dong, grabe dong, nawala lang ako ng isang buwan at ikaw lang isa dito. Ano bang mga pinag-grocery mo sa buhay? O yun, no? So, kaya yung mga dahilan at gumawa lang ako dito ng paborito niyang cucumber salad with lemon. So, yun, nilagay ko yun sa kamay kasi po maraming liso, konting oil at konting soy sauce, paminta at konting asin. Yun lang, mga loves, onion at ginger, isa lang yun siya sa mga talaga. Ang pinakamasarap dito is yung lemon. Masarap talaga sa mga ganyan, no? Or lime, or meron kang kalamansi, ganun. Pagkatapos niyan, lumabas na naman siya ng sobrang tagal. May kausap na naman, katrabaho niya, mga loves. Palagi na lang silang nag-uusap. So pumasok ako kasi hindi ko kinaya yung ginaw. Kita niyo naman lang, mga loves, no, yung kahoy, nag-ready na siya, nagpula-pula. So yon, ay nako, spring na talaga very soon. At habang busy si Mister, ako din, magtatrabaho din ako dito sa ating mga clips na hindi ko na-upload from vacation sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko pala siya nakita, no? At si Mister dito natulaling kasi po, ang kanyang camera is hindi gumagana. So, inayos lang niya. Ito lang muna yung pagkain natin kay Mr. Sausage kasi gusto daw niyang ipaluto or lutuin. So, dito lang ko lang siya nilagay sa oven at madali lang siyang lutuin dito at wala pa lagsik-lagsik, di pa ko masakitan. So, yun, mga love, sinayawan ko lang si Mr. Of course, asawa ko yan. So, mag-usap lang kami dito. I-end ko na tong vlog. Spend time together muna kami. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, mga loves! Ingat po kayo dyan kung nasaan kayo, ha? Bye!